manager for ITCS 3330. This is our GUI portion of the library manager. So first things first, we're going to start our application. I'm using IntelliJ with Maven to handle the dependencies. So the first thing we want to do is we want to add a member. So we'll say John Doe is signing up for our library, and he lives on 515 South Mizzou Avenue. His email is, set it to my email. And his social security number is 211199207. Okay. And we'll say his date of birth was April 30th. Let's say he's a student. And as you can see in our console, it confirms that we saved it. So now we can go back and we can now borrow items, which is really cool. And just to confirm that we saved our member, we can go down to our database text file. Awesome. So we can see our John Doe is at the bottom of our text file. And we're just going to copy that real quick and go back to our application. Okay, so now we're going to borrow an item, and we're going to enter our member's ID, and we'll enter some item ID that we want to check out. So we'll do 123456, and we'll say the borrow date was last Sunday, and it was due on Monday. Okay, now we can save it. So since it was since the book was due last Monday, we can now check overdues for our member ID. Get rid of our dashes. And we can set the due date to today. So now you can see here we have an overdue item. It shows us the member ID, the item ID, the date it was checked out, and the date that it's due. Okay, then we can exit out of here, go back to the main menu. We can also return items. So we're going to copy our social security, and our item ID was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I believe it was. Let's double check that. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so our item ID was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now that we've returned the item, we can hit save, and we'll copy our social security number again. Okay, cool. So now the item is returned, and it shouldn't be in our check overdues anymore. Let's double check that's true. And nothing's in our overdue items. I hope you enjoyed this quick demonstration of our library manager, and thank you for grading our final project and teaching us all semester. Have a good day.